What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day. We're going to be looking at unboxing and first initial impressions on a new brand called Enginehawk. It is motorcycle gear that is created by Ruroc. If you haven't heard of Ruroc, they make motorcycle helmets. They're an overseas UK company. They make pretty awesome products. So today we're going to be unboxing and first initial impressions on the new Knucklehead jacket that I ordered from Enginehawk. So, a little bit more about Enginehawk. So, they were created, like I said, by Ruroc. One of the things that they've done that is pretty amazing, that sets themselves apart from other jacket companies or any kind of motorcycle apparel company, they created a private Facebook group called Task Force Echo Hotel. In the Task Force Echo Hotel Facebook group, they pretty much threw drawings and ideas out, and normal people like you and I got to vote on the apparel. As we got to vote on the apparel, we got to pretty much pick, you know, the looks, the designs, along with their help, obviously, and we got to put our opinions in as far as what we wanted to see from a motorcycle jacket, as well as, you know, everything from pretty much the zippers down to the armor, the material used, so on and so forth. So today we're going to be unboxing and my first initial thoughts on the Knucklehead jacket. I'll have the link down below in the description of their website. They offer a bunch of different jackets, and in the future they're looking at expanding even more, possibly with riding jeans and gloves and such. But if you haven't checked of Ruroc or Enginehawk, I'll have the links to both of them down below. So as you see here, this is the box. This is how it will come to you. I am not sponsored by Enginehawk by any means. So everything that you see here is what you should get. So this is a pretty nice box. They got their little logo here. It says Enginehawk around the box there. I did not open this yet whatsoever, as you can see. So these are going to be raw first impressions. So I have gone and opened up the box. So you got some nice Enginehawk branding there. Right there. Enginehawk was born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefine what motorcycle apparel can be. Welcome to Enginehawk. So you even got this all taped up here. Oh, wow. Comes with a sweet drawstring backpack. It's a pretty big backpack. And there's something in it, which yes, it is looking like the armor. So armor comes in this nice packaging. Down here we got level 2 shoulder protector. Set that aside. Got the Enginehawk level 2 elbow protector. And the Enginehawk level 1 back protector. So all these are packaged pretty nicely. We got the little size chart there. I am really in love with this backpack. It's very nice. Set that aside. So right there it is. That's the Knucklehead. So this is the Knucklehead. One of the reasons I went with the Knucklehead was because, in my opinion, this goes great with Harleys. This looks like a very kind of vintage style jacket as far as the designs go. However, as you can see here, it is a textile jacket, so it is very modern. And I can already tell, I can feel the armor up in the shoulders and the elbows. And that is pretty low profile on my first initial impression. Got some nice buttons here. As you can see, they got nice little Enginehawk branding there, which is a little reflective tape. The actual loop up here is like a chain. Pretty neat. So as you see, you got a zipper, and then you also have those buttons that help hold that closed. Another neat thing that they did was this zipper can also zip up here. So then if you sit on the bike, you know, it doesn't get all bunched up and doesn't get all tight. So as you can see, with the jacket opened up, you can see that chain a little bit better for the coat hanger, which is pretty nice because anybody who's had a armored jacket will tell you that over time of hanging it, you know, the little loops that are sewn on kind of get flimsy and they tend to rip and such. So that's nice. Got the Enginehawk branding back here. A little Velcro. I'm assuming that's for the back armor. Maybe not. I can already see the shoulder armor here. That's Velcroed in. The inside of the jacket's very smooth. Very curious to see how well this works with the wind, but we'll get to that in another video. Got a nice little pocket right there. Nice little pocket on this side. Got a little book. Body protection system. Little size chart. So I went with the medium as opposed to their sizing guide on their website. I'm very curious to see how this fits. Their sizing chart wanted me in a small, but most things I wear are either medium or large, and my motorcycle jacket that I've been wearing for the last 9 seasons is a large, which was made by Built. So I'll be curious to see how this fits. I still wanted it a little bit bigger, and the reason I wanted it a little bit bigger is mostly because I live in Pennsylvania, so we have the changing of the seasons. And with the changing of the seasons, you know, sometimes I want to wear a long sleeve shirt underneath, or a light sweatshirt, or even sometimes a heavy sweatshirt, because, you know, when it gets to below 30 degrees or around 30 degrees and you're traveling down the highway, it gets cold fast. So I'm gonna throw this bad boy on here, and then right away I can tell up in the shoulders it's a little tight. Now, like I said, I went with a medium, and their size chart had me at a small. I am roughly 5'7", 5'8", and 164 pounds. So that's my size and weight. Now, the jacket itself feels pretty good. I absolutely love the texture of this jacket. It is definitely a little tight in my elbows and shoulders. I really don't even feel the padding, to be completely honest. This padding is pretty low profile. Now, if I remember correctly, the jacket itself comes with level 1 armor. Now, the armor that I've showed you in the unboxing part, as far as I'm concerned, other than the back protection, it is level 2, like I said. So if you buy the upgraded protection from them, you get level 2 elbow and shoulder protection and level 1 back protection. Now the reason it comes with level 1 back protection, as I can feel now, which makes sense when we were looking at the jacket, that pouch in the back, it does not come with back protection. So at least we got level 1 back protection that I'll put in. Now overall, the jacket as I'm wearing it feels very nice. It's like perfect length on my arms, perfect length on my torso. Wow. Like I said, the only thing is it feels a little tight in my shoulders, which I'm okay with. I guess I won't be able to really wear, you know, a heavy sweatshirt or such, but that's okay. I'm looking at getting possibly the Iron Head jacket, which is almost the same kind of styling as this, but it's full complete leather. I was thinking about getting that for my colder weather riding anyway, so I'm alright with that, but I am in love with this jacket. It is a rainy weekend here in Pennsylvania, or else I would be out riding. As you see, you got adjustable cuffs there, which is pretty neat. And you get a little zipper there to expand, get some extra airflow on the hotter days. A nice pocket up here. Get over here. Got your silica gel. So something else that I ordered with the jacket, in addition to the upgraded armor, was I got the Thermo Bomber inner liner for the colder months, which I'm kind of curious now to try this on and see as how well it fits, considering that the jacket felt a little tighter in the elbows and the shoulders, which initially is fine, but we'll see how that fits with the Thermo Bomber. So right here with the Thermo Bomber, you can see it comes with little pockets, and my initial thoughts on the feeling of the Thermo Bomber is it is a very low profile, and the texture honestly feels identical to one of my inner liners for one of my North Face jackets. So I can just tell by the looks and feeling of it that this thing is going to be toasty in the wintertime. So as you see, I have the Thermo Bomber installed. Up here, there's a little loop. I just went right around the coat hanger loop. You got the zippers down both sides of the inner part of the jacket. Follow those down. Underneath the jacket, you have a loop and a button there, as well as there. And you can see the jacket itself has these little loops there for you to hook onto. And the jacket sleeves, as you can see, I already unbuttoned and unzippered that. But right in there, it's going to be a little hard to see. But you got that there. And that on the other side as well. That right in there. That's even a win because I was not expecting that to fit in there like that. So that's awesome. So next I'm going to take the Thermal Bomber out. I'm going to throw my upgraded level 2 armor in and throw the back armor in. And we'll compare side by side the level 1 elbow and shoulder protection to the level 2 elbow and shoulder protection. Alrighty guys, so we're back at the workbench here. As you can see, I've gone ahead and pulled the sleeves inside out. And the reason I've done that is based on just my own personal preferences and experiences. It's easier to get to the armor that way. As you can see, it's velcroed in. And the shoulder armor you could get to without pulling the sleeve inside out. But it makes it a lot easier for the elbow, forearm pad, instead of trying to reach in the sleeve and get to the Velcro and such. It just makes it a lot easier if you take the time to just pull the sleeve inside out. So we're gonna be pulling the level 1 armor out here and comparing it to the level 2 armor. We'll just do a little comparison side by side here. As you can see, just a little bit of thickness compared to from level 1 to level 2. You can see they're obviously cut the same size, which makes sense, but you can see you got level 1 and level 2. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I mean, it is noticeable right away. So I'm going to be throwing the new armor in. We'll fast forward through that, and I'll try the jacket on again with the level 2 armor. So I have gone ahead and replaced the elbow and shoulder protection with the level 2 armor and added the back armor. Now, one thing I did notice that you may have took notice to in the video was the way the armor was installed in the jacket previously. It had the rougher side, the harder side in to like where your actual skin would be up against this part. I have gone ahead and when I put the new armor in, reversed it. So therefore, you know, you kind of have like the actual, it almost feels like a shoe insole that's resting against your skin versus the harder part. That's just my personal preference. I'm not sure if there's technically a right or wrong way to have it. I'm not really sure. If you know, leave down below in the comments. So let's get this jacket turned inside out and try it on with the level 2 armor and the level 1 back armor. Wow. So honestly, you guys may doubt me, but I honestly think since when I put that level 2 armor in, and it's even thicker than the other level 1 armor, but just by reversing the way I put the armor in, I already feel like I've gained more space in my shoulders. It feels a lot more comfortable. Is this a right, wrong? You know, does it matter which way you put them in? I'm not really sure. So yeah, like I said, I'm in love with this jacket. Hopefully today's video gave you guys some awesome information. If you're curious about buying an Enginehawk jacket, like I said, I'll have the link down in the description. Hopefully this helps you guys out with sizing. Like I said, I'm 5'7", 5'8", 164 pounds. I went with a medium. My only negative review about this jacket is a little bit of tightness in the shoulders and elbow region. It's a little constrictive, but that's okay. Like I said, with flipping the armor, it got better. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you guys liked my video. Hopefully you guys look forward to the next video when I'm out on the bike and able to test it for the first time in a practical situation. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It helps out the channel. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.